Learning with Faith Forward, your personal Christian devotional companion. Faith Forward is a revolutionary mobile app designed to invigorate your daily spiritual journey. Seamlessly blending modern technology with timeless Christian devotion, this app delivers personalized devotionals, comprehensive Bible passages, profound verse analysis, and uplifting daily sermons. Whether you seek inspiration, profound insights, or a deeper connection with your faith, Faith Forward empowers your spiritual growth like never before. Pros of the Faith Forward. Number 1. Personalized spiritual nourishment. Tailored devotionals cater to your unique emotional and spiritual needs, fostering a more meaningful connection. Number 2. Comprehensive Bible exploration. Access complete Bible passages for in-depth study and exploration, enhancing your understanding of Scripture. Number 3. Deeper verse insights. Gain profound insights into the context and meaning of specific verses, enriching your biblical understanding. Number 3. Inspiring daily sermons. Elevate your spiritual journey with daily sermons that provide wisdom, reflection, and guidance. Number 4. Bookmark favorites. Easily save and revisit favorite sermons and passages for continued inspiration. Number 5. Immersive Bible study. Delve into Scripture, exploring specific passages or topics to deepen your knowledge and connection. Number 6. User-friendly interface. Intuitive design ensures a seamless and enjoyable experience for users of all ages. Cons of the Faith Forward. Number 1. Limited denominational diversity. The app's content is primarily Christian-focused, potentially excluding those from other religious backgrounds. Number 2. Dependence on technology. Relying on an app for spiritual growth may detract from traditional forms of worship and community engagement. Monetization strategy. Number 1. Freemium model. Offer a free version with basic devotionals and features. Premium subscription unlocks advanced content, specialized devotionals, and exclusive sermons. Number 2. In-app purchases. Users can buy additional devotionals, sermons, or study materials as one-time purchases. Number 3. Ad integration. Display non-intrusive ads to non-subscribed users, generating revenue from advertisers seeking a faith-focused audience. Number 4. Merchandise and resources. Sell merchandise like study guides, ebooks, or physical devotionals to enhance users' spiritual experience. Number 5. Partnerships. Collaborate with churches, Christian influencers, and authors for sponsored content or joint ventures. Embark on a transformative journey with Faith Forward, where modern devotion meets ancient wisdom, guiding you towards spiritual fulfillment every day. For more interesting video, kindly subscribe my channel.